Guys,
Borscht duck.
What are you going for? Borscht duck first?
Yeah, gonna get my borscht duck.
What does that mean? Oh wow.
Wow.
I like that.
This is way better than I was expecting. Oh man, we know what's coming.
Yeah. This might be the end of my meal.
Borscht.
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 Borscht. Borscht duck. Short pole.
Short pole.
This one's definitely worth to try.
这是牛肉吧？
No, it's horse meat. 马肉. He thought it was beef.
Well, as a vegetarian.
Don't tell anyone.
好吃。这是我第一次吃马肉。
His first
What
time
have
eating
you-
horse meat. I think the same with me.
Shut up.
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 Oh no.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Again.
Cheers.
Here goes nothing.
You're gonna hate.
Guess what? It's
Both of them.
kumis.
Surprise. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Actually,
man.
if you chuck the whole thing, it's better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's the aftertaste.